It's not Halloween yet. This is just me. Didn't put any makeup on because I'm just gonna be around the house working today, but I had an idea I wanted to share with y'all about the coffee table. So I've been up really, really early this morning. I woke up around 3:30, couldn't sleep. So I got up, come in the living room, playing on my phone, watching TV, and then the idea hit me. And I don't know if y'all are like this, but the ideas will just come at the weirdest times. So I got to thinking about the coffee table and stripping it down. And I think that I'm going to move it to the backyard, pull out the pressure washer, yes, the pressure washer, and see if that will get all of that rest of that residue off, the paint and stuff. I run it by James this morning and he was like, well, it'll be worth a shot. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna see. And I'm out of strippers, so I'm gonna have to get everything off that I can, and then we'll just have to see if I need to go buy some more or whatever. Anyway, it's a really nasty day today. It looks like it's gonna rain, but the table's brass, so it doesn't matter if it gets wet. So that's what I'm fixing to do before I make coffee or anything. I'm gonna do that, and that's why I didn't even bother getting dressed, because it's probably gonna be a nasty job. And go from there. So I'm fixing to go move everything to the backyard and see if this works. So come on, let's go. All right, this is what it looks like after being on there for 24 hours. Look at that. So the whole table looks like that. So I'm gonna move these pieces to the back to set it on and then get the pressure washer out. So let me get it moved. It's a nasty overcast day. There's all the ducks in the neighbors' yards. But yeah, nasty. So I've got this contractor grade trash bag over it. That's what I'm going to use to kind of lift it up and carry it out there, so I'm not really, the stuff's not falling on me. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me take it around back and then I'll get the pressure washer. A little bit better view of how it's looking. So let's pressure wash. That definitely sped things up. Now I asked James if we could polish all this if it was messed up, and he said definitely with our little Dremel tool that we could do that. I am gonna go get a scraper and see if I can scrape some more of this off, and like right over there. And this side didn't do as well. Here. So I'm gonna try to scrape some of that. But pretty good, huh? It's helping a little bit, but not much. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try some acetone. What y'all think? Am I screwing up? I'm gonna try acetone and see if that will see what that'll do. There's some that just did not penetrate through. So, yeah, let me go get some acetone and see if what that'll do. Okay, I've got this acetone, roll of paper towels, and I'm just gonna try this. So let me get some on a paper towel and then I'll show you what it does. Okay. Whew. The acetone will work just but in small spots. I still got to do a lot of scraping. So what I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna go back to Lowe's and get another can of that stripper and spray it down, because even where the paint come off, there's still like a residue, like it didn't get all the way through to that. So I've scraped off all I can, and I'm gonna go to Lowe's and I'm gonna get another can of that stripper and mostly hit the areas that still have the paint the heaviest, and then just do a light spray over the rest of the table, and then that should work. Pressure washer did great. This table may take me another full day. And who knew? I don't know. And it may come on off like since we've got it down. I don't know. So let me run to Lowe's, and I'm already sopping wet. It's so hot and humid out here. If y'all can't tell, but my glass is fogging up. So let me run to Lowe's and get another can of stripper. And then I'm gonna move this back into the garage, put up the pressure washer and all that fun stuff, and then spray it when we get back. We'll see how it goes. Y'all watch this when I ask Buster if he wants to go for a ride. You'll go for a ride? You do? Okay. Let Mama get her something to drink and we'll go. You wanna go to Lowe's? We'll go for a ride? Gotta go pee on the tree. Then he'll have to go pee on the mailbox. I am a sight to be going to Lowe's, but the way I feel about it is all those people in Lowe's probably out doing stuff and they don't look their best either. So here we go. Gets Buster out for a ride too. And it's fixing to storm. This humidity is killing me, and now it's looking like I probably won't get to do my door this weekend. I'm so upset about that. The weather's got to be just right for that. But, you know, it'll be when it'll be, right? Oh, Lord. I need some air conditioner. Anyway, I was really hoping that the coffee table would be done for this vlog. But this just goes to show you that sometimes what you think is going to be, you know, quick and simple and easy, don't always turn out that way. That's been the story of my life anyway. Anytime I try to do a DIY. But, you know, if I was doing like just one video solely on stripping the coffee table, you know, of course it would just be from start to finish. But this is real life, y'all. This is real life. And I really have been getting a lot of good feedback on these vlogs, that y'all are really enjoying them, and that just makes my heart so happy because I love it, honestly. And I was telling someone yesterday in the comments that, I mean, y'all really, really feel a lot of what would be some lonely hours. Y'all feel those for me, and I just love spending time with y'all. I enjoy it, and when your perspective changes, for as like, I quit doing it for view counts, I quit doing it for subscriber counts, I quit, you know, I don't make any money off of it, you know, so I'm just solely doing it because I truly enjoy it. When you shift your perspective, you know, it just, everything changes, and I'm just having so much fun. And I know that I'm not like everybody's cup of tea as far as my channels. The word structured comes to my mind. Like, it's not structured as far as a niche. Like, anyway, this is just me and my life, just sharing my life, and I've made such amazing friends through this channel that I just love spending time with y'all. So it's fun. I really, really enjoy it. Y'all, let me show y'all these clouds. Ugh. And it's right in the direction we're going. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm glad y'all are enjoying these videos. I try to make them interesting. My life is not always interesting. It can be boring at times. But like, James come home yesterday and I was like, go look in the garage. And he was like, what'd you do in the garage? I said, just go look. And he walked out there and he was like, just shook his head. Then he started asking me questions like what I used and this and that. And he's supportive. He's very supportive. But he never knows. I never know what I'm getting into. But anyway, maybe we can beat the rain. Okay, I just sprayed it down one more time. I flipped it over this time. James said flip it over to get the bottom real well. Buster, come here. Hey, come over here. Get over here. And now I'm just gonna let it sit. So while that sits, I'm gonna go get a shower because I'm nasty. Okay, it's been over an hour and a half since I sprayed. Oh yeah, much better, definitely. Okay, so I'm thinking that, excuse me, I'm gonna let this continue to work, and probably in the morning I'll do the same thing that I did today and spray it all down with the pressure washer. I might do it this evening when James gets home, depending on the weather. It's been raining. This is taking a little bit longer than I expected. I really thought that I would have the end results today in this vlog, but I'm not so sure that's going to happen. And I really hate that because I didn't want to drag this on, but it just has taken longer than I anticipated. So we'll see. But that's definitely working, and I think this will be the final coat of the stripper that I have to put on it because it's lifting it up so well. I did want to update y'all on the shoe situation with James. First of all, thank y'all so much for all of y'all that are praying for him. I really, truly appreciate it, and I definitely believe in the power of prayer. Secondly, last night when he got home, we got online and he found him a pair of shoes that he liked better than the ones I had seen in the stores that I'd seen the pictures. So we ordered those. They should be here Saturday. And I also, through y'all, one of y'all, I'm not gonna say the name because I don't know if they want me to, but told me of something they take to kind of help with the flare-ups and stuff of gout. So I did order him some of that on Amazon. So that should be here Saturday as well. So I have full faith that God's gonna touch him, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do until God does, right? So that's what I'm doing. And it just breaks my heart to see him in pain and limping off to go to work. And I've just been praying so hard, and I just know God is going to touch him. And so that's a little update on that. And glad y'all enjoyed downtown. Isn't that just such a beautiful little part of town? It's like literally like when you cross the railroad tracks and you go into downtown, it's like you just step back in time. And I love it. I love it so much. It is just, it reminds me of like those little towns in the Hallmark movies and stuff. It's just beautiful. So I'm glad y'all enjoyed that. So now I'm going to get back to doing some of my cleaning. And y'all, let me just tell y'all, I'm not loving this new vacuum cleaner. I mean, it's great, but it's a lot heavier than the one I had. And I find myself not wanting to reach for it as often as I would my other one because it's heavier and bulkier, but I do like the hose and all that, so that's a great feature. And it's an awesome vacuum cleaner. I have no complaints about the vacuum cleaner. I just wanted the one I had. And also it don't have a light on it, and I love that about my other one. It had the light, and you really see a lot of stuff to pick up when you have the light on it, but it's just me being petty. Just me being petty. I need to be thankful instead, so done. All right, y'all. I have come out here and scraped off some more of the bigger chunks, and I have resprayed everything, and I honestly, fingers crossed, think this will be the last time. But I'm gonna let it sit overnight. It's now around 2:30. So I'm just gonna take it out in the morning and pressure wash it, and that should do it. So I'm sorry it's not done. I'm really trying because I want it done too, but you know, this is just one of those things. Had no idea it would take, you know, 3 days, but okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog now. I'm sorry that y'all don't have a conclusion, but I will film it tomorrow and try to get it uploaded tomorrow. I do not like dragging projects out like this, but you know, that stripper is awesome, but maybe it's because it's like the citrus strip. It's maybe not as strong as some other strippers, but I knew I wanted to do it in the garage and not outside because our weather would not, you know, cooperate for that. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm really sorry that it's not finished, but I did love spending time with y'all, and I hope y'all feel welcome. And tomorrow is another day. I'm not gonna get to do the door, it don't look like, but at least I will get to finish up the coffee table, and then we'll polish it up and get it set back up. Fingers crossed all that works out like I want it to. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.